Our ongoing efforts to rebuild and recover from the pandemic's impact are steering us back on the course towards achieving the goals of Vision 24, Vision Natin 2040. According to PSU data, the country's gross national income per capita reached 241,000 pesos in 2023, a 14.7% increase from 210,000 pesos per capita reported in 2022. As of 2024, the Philippines remains a lower middle-income country, but poised for further growth. This upward momentum, coupled with the nation's aspiration for widespread prosperity, inspired the theme for the 22nd DPIM, securing a future for all by governing a resilient middle class. For in Filipino, pagtiyak sa kinabukasan sa lahat sa pamagitan ng pagtatag ng malakas na middle class. Kung sa mga sinugbuan ng binisaya, pagsiguro sa kaugmaon alang sa tanan, pinaagi sa paglambong sa usa ka malingon sa middle class. This year's theme highlights both the opportunities and challenges in expanding the Filipino middle class, especially in the light of emerging global megatrends that will either accelerate growth or exacerbate inequality.